everyone, and welcome to my closet. Today I am packing up to go to a horse show that I am going to this weekend. So I thought, why not turn the camera on and you can pack with me? As always, out of the literally billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch me pack for a horse show today. Be sure and give this video a like so it's easier for other people to find, and subscribe to see more of me in the future. You can also check out my second channel, Alice and Adventure, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cantering Gorgeous. But for now, let's get to work packing. I kind of like try to put together my outfits before I pack them so that it just makes it easier in the end. So I have like some shirts here. This is just like a basic shirt. It says Barn Diva. I don't really need this one, but I will pack it as like an extra. Hold that, so I'm gonna put it in here. Then there's this one. I think I'm gonna wear this maybe Friday because it's this is a Cool Blast shirt, and it's like I think it has sun protection too. So this would be a good one when you're outside all day. This shirt with like these like American Eagle skinny jeans, I think that could like work good together. Then my fabulous lime green Western shirt. Saturday is St. Patrick's Day, so I thought this would be a good color to wear on St. Patrick's Day. And that is the day, Saturday is also the day of the big show, so it's like, you know, you just look nice like walking around the barns and everyone's like, wow, who is that? Like, who is she? You always want to look nice the main weekend of show day. I'm gonna pack the lime green Western shirt with my like sparkly jeans, like, you know, fancy jeans. So that goes in there. Then I just have this very basic coral polo. And, you know, polo always looks nice around the barns and stuff. So I'm gonna pack this. And then maybe my just very basic, like, work jeans, because Sunday is like pack up day, so this is very, looks nice but very practical for pack up day. I'm gonna throw in just my pair of like, these are my 9 West like black leggings, and these just always look nice, so I'm gonna throw these in case we need them, in case we like, in case I need them for dinner, like that type of thing. Okay, so I am going to throw my swimsuit in. I don't really plan on swimming. I don't even know if where we're staying has a pool or not, but I just kind of like make it my rule to whenever I go away, pack my swimsuit, because it always turns out the one time I don't have my suit, I want to actually swim. So I just always pack my swimsuit. I don't know what happened to the bottoms though, so I'm going to have to find those. Throw in my pajamas, lots of like mint green and gray, really nice and soft. I put in my like extra shorts. These are just kind of like my lounge shorts. They're just really comfortable, and in case you need an extra pair of shorts. Okay, the 2 extra tops I'm gonna take. These are kind of nicer tops, just so that I have something that's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit nicer in case I want to clean up and change before going out to dinner. Now I do want to pack some shorts with me, just because where we are, it is really, really, really hot. Like, it very well could be probably like, I'm guessing if it doesn't rain, it's probably going to be like 85 degrees. So which pairs of shorts? I don't know. I kind of almost feel like I should take all of them in case I end up needing them. Because like, okay, these 2 tops like match black shorts and then match white shorts. Like to go to match like the tops. And then like just the basic jean I could end up wearing or could end up using. To be prepared. I will like think about that. But probably like definitely like these 2, like for sure. Maybe I'll just leave the jean home. I think that's what I'll do. I'm gonna throw in my hoodie. This is kind of just like a natural color, and it has like the crochet through it. I love this hoodie. I always get complimented on it. And just like since it's spring, you know, you might need a little something to keep me a little bit more warm. And then my black jacket that I always take with me. It kind of works with everything since it's so black. I can wear this kind of casual, or I can wear this a little bit dressy, and it just always works. So this is going with me for sure. Shoes, I'm gonna definitely take like, you know, like a comfortable pair of walking shoes. Of course, most of the day I'm probably going to be wearing my boots for the barn. Just always important to have like a practical pair of shoes. Then for the not so practical pair of shoes, which one do you think? Do you think the tan or the black wedge? I think I want to take the tan. I think I want to take the tan just because I've been wearing these a lot and I think like these are a little bit more fun. Okay, like I'm not exactly sure which belt I should take with. Should I take the black one with, or should I take my sparkly, like really sparkly? I think I'm gonna take the really sparkly one because this one is kind of like, I'm looking at it closer and it's kind of like beat to heck. I used to wear this to like working, and so it got really like, got pretty roughed up. So I'm gonna take this brown blingy belt with me. Okay, so I think that is all of my clothes that I'm gonna be taking with me. The shoes I need to like put in plastic before I put them in with all the clothes. So I will do that later. And I mean, of course, I still have to put up like all of my cosmetic stuff and probably my makeup stuff in here, but I will do that later. Okay, so now in my backpack, I'm gonna pack like, you know, the extra stuff that I need during the day. Stuff like sunscreen so that you don't get burned. Sunburn is really, really bad. I'm gonna pack my sun hat and probably a baseball cap with me. Also to keep the sun out of my eyes and to protect my face from the sun. Tissues, because I am a really, really sneezy person, and being in the barn all day with all that dirt and dust, I'm probably really, really gonna need these. I have my green like bow for St. Patrick's Day, so I'm gonna pack that along with me. 2 pairs of sunglasses. These are kind of like my wear all the time type of sunglasses. And then my Ray-Bans are like, you know, like my going out type of really cool looking sunglasses, but I'm taking both with me. My camera to take lots of fabulous pictures. And then some snacks. I got vitamin water. This is kiwi and strawberry and this says it's for focus. And then I got a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee and French vanilla. For like 3 o'clock when I get really, really sleepy and lethargic, drink some of this and my energy will go right back up. Then I have some Snyder's of Hanover pretzel pieces, and these are the honey mustard and onion flavor. So I really like these and give me a little snack in between meals when I get hungry. So thank you so much for watching and packing with me. Leave in the comments down below, where was the last place you went on a trip? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!